Hello everyone. So this is the last lecture for metallurgy process, and in this we'll be summing up the difficulties faced during electrolytic reduction. That is, a large amount of electric energy is required to liberate aluminum from Al2O3. Liberated aluminum metal may also tend to volatilize out and get washed. Fused cryolite are added to the electrolytic mixture. Cryolite lowers the fusion point of mixture. It enhances the mobility. The addition of cryolite enhances the conductivity also. Now, what is the rule of layer of powdered coke? It is sprinkled over the electrolytic mixture. Actually, it prevents the burning of carbon electrode. It also minimizes the heat loss by radiation. We all know that during extraction, the graphite rod extinguishes or it is need to be replaced. The reason is anode undergoes oxidation and the carbon rod is converted to CO and CO2. Electrolytic reduction of alumina is a continuous process and the refining process is known as Hoops process. 99.5% purity is obtained. Now we will be discussing about some of the important alloys: brass and bronze, copper and zinc, bronze, copper, zinc and tin. But the main component is Cu and Sn, whereas brass is Cu and Zn. So brass is the property hard, lustrous, used in electrical fittings, decorative articles, bell metal, bell, gongs. Aluminium alloys are duralumin and magnesium. It is used in aircraft, light tools, cooker, aircraft scientific tools. Lead alloys or PbSn. Type metal, antimony is also present. What is the reason for alloying? Sn lowers the melting point of alloy. And electrical fuse. These are the uses. Iron alloy, most important, stainless steel, Fe, Ni, Cr and some amount of carbon. Nickel steel, Fe, Ni and carbon. So this was all about the metallurgy process. As you can see, this is the summary. Introduction part, occurrence, ores of aluminium, most important, bauxite, cryolite, corundum. Extraction involved dressing, conversion, reduction and electro refining. This is the summary for alloys: brass, bronze, German silver, gunmetal and bell metal. These are the properties and their usage. Bell metal, as it is named itself, it is used in bell and gongs. Aluminium alloy, very light and stronger. Aircraft, alnico is used in magnets. These are the important reactions for aluminium which is summarized. Various use of aluminium metal: good conductor of heat, paints, thermite mixture. So Fe2O3 plus Al is known as thermite mixture. Pig iron used in pipes, gutter covers. They vary in the amount of carbon. So this is the worksheet which we have already solved, and these are the board questions which we have solved from 2000 till 2014. We have already solved, and the most important for the metallurgical process is extraction of aluminium, which covers the Hall-Harlot process, Baer process, Hoops process. These are the most important topics of the metallurgical process, and proper terms are required for understanding the metallurgical process. I hope you all really enjoyed the video. Thank you.